morning, everybody, and welcome back to the channel here. I'm actually on my way to work right now because obviously I got a busy day here to spend time with my family later on, so I'm gonna be leaving work a little bit early. Hopefully I can get all my stuff done on time, and then I'll meet you guys down south a little ways because I'm gonna be picking up my girlfriend Abby, and we're gonna be meeting up with the family for dinner and going to a Monster Truck rally. So, and fun fact about the Monster Truck rally thing, my girlfriend actually has never been to one before, so this will be her very first time ever experiencing one, and this is actually my second one I'm going to be going to. So this is going to be a bit of an interesting adventure. Feel free to buckle up, everyone. So let's go ahead and get my stuff done, and then we'll go ahead and pick up my girlfriend and meet up with the fam. Alright, everyone, I finally just got out of work about 10 minutes ago, and I'm officially on my way to go pick up Abigail here, actually, for our family dinner. And then we're going to go to the Monster Truck rally. And I don't know what the weather is going to do here at this time, because right now the forecast from what I was told is supposed to rain here in a few hours. So, I mean, I'm hoping it doesn't. So all I can do is just, you know, just go with the flow and go ahead and pick up my girlfriend, and we're just going to go out, do some dinner, and then we're going to go ahead and see some monster trucks. So I think it'll be a lot of fun, everybody. Feel free to stick around for that. We go up the stairs.
He's on the second floor.
Yeah. She said second floor? Right. Okay, let's go check. Okay, now we are finished. Yeah, I do. So, alrighty.
I'll check the stairs traffic, so we might end up parked at different spots.
Okay.
Alrighty. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome, my lady. Now we are off to the local fairgrounds to witness the monster truck.
Maybe there's my spot. Hey.
Alright, it's about to kick off, so let's go ahead and take a ride. That was not staged. That was not staged.
Get the signal out, the fire just comes up. Hold. Point to the light. Let the tracker just leave the track. And the green light is inside.
The Gravitron, which is this right here, like a freaking spaceship. So this should be something really entertaining to watch. I mean, at least I'm not getting on there, so that's kind of nice.
I was like 8 years old, so
I haven't been on there since I was like, I don't know, 5 or 6. But now I could not go on there. I could not do it. There's no way. Unless you guys literally gave me at least 1,000 likes on this video.
1,000 likes, we'll go on it. That might have
If we have a deal, you guys, I mean, literally, we could do it. We'll do it if that happens, so smash that like button. Yeah, I don't know about that one, but these rides though, hey.
Just so you know, we ain't going on that. We ain't going on that or that.
No. So smash that like button if you guys want to do those rides that we just recommended to you. A little slight change of plans, everyone. My mom and Adam did not go on the Gravitron, but Megan and Matthew, my brother and sister, did go on there. So hopefully they did okay, but there's only one way to find out. So let's just go ahead and see if they made it out okay without vomiting. Hey yo, it is officially the next morning, everyone, and it's actually a lot more sunny than it was yesterday. I don't know why. It was cloudy yesterday. It for a brief moment during the truck rally, it was sprinkling a little bit, but that was okay because it didn't like downpour or thunder or anything, which is nice. And of course, I did stay the night with my girlfriend just for the night. And I guess my mom reached out to me not too long ago. We're gonna be doing another family dinner not too far from here either. So I'm gonna bring Abby along with me, and we're gonna do another date night. And I think tomorrow, which is tomorrow Sunday, I'm gonna be doing another fishing video because with summer already getting ready to draw to a close up north here, the bass are gonna be starting to go dormant soon, probably like in another month or two. And then eventually the salmon are gonna come up shallow to do some spawning. So we're gonna do some more bass fishing as much as we can, because in another week, I think it is in another week, I got some time off to take a vacation time, so I will be doing quite a bit of fishing while I am on vacation. Hopefully we can make that the final week of smallmouth season before they go dormant, because right now it seems, because up north here where I live, smallmouth's the more dominant species than largemouth. It kind of makes a lot of sense because smallmouth do like cooler water in areas that have a lot more gravel bottom, and that's kind of what we have up north, a lot more gravel bottom. So we'll go ahead and hopefully catch some smallies, but for now I'm gonna go ahead and meet up with Abigail real quick because I was doing a little bit of fishing on the river out here earlier. As you guys can see, we got people out here enjoying the day. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and head back here in a little bit and then we'll go meet up with the fam for dinner. And it's already about almost 6 o'clock already. And I got the love of my life right here. Absolutely beautiful as ever.
Thank you.
And we are just waiting for my mom to show up because we are having dinner again. Literally back-to-back nights we are having dinner again. That's definitely something I'm not used to. But after that we are going to be doing a few other fun things, she said, right?
She brought up laser tag, I think there's bowling, there's a candy shop, and a couple other things.
So you think you want to do the laser tag?
Yeah.
Watch, I'm gonna get her first. I'll make sure I do.
No.
Oh yes I will.
No.
Oh yes I will.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. Yes. Comment down below who do you think is gonna get shot first?
Me.
Oh, you're gonna get shot first? She literally confesses that she's gonna get shot first.
Probably. It will be me. I suck at it.
Oh really? Fun
Yeah.
fact about me? I've never done laser tag before.
You've never done laser tag before?
No, I actually haven't. I'm actually being serious. I have never done laser tag.
Well then, prepared to lose.
We'll see. We'll see. Even an untrained or inexperienced person like me, I can actually still kick someone's butt pretty easy.
Doing that.
And by the way, she's still gonna get shot first, everyone, so just watch out. It's gonna be really fun. You're not good at bowling? So yeah, we're
Venom sea salt.
Venom sea salt? I never heard of that. Oh, I wonder if it's like some food, it's food related. So yeah, we're actually in a candy store right now, so
Please hold
I'm
on
not-
the other line.
please hold, I'm on the other line.
Gone fishing.
Go ahead, move mountains.
DJ, don't care. I'm looking for picture vegetables. I don't think they have one. I probably shouldn't have said that.
But yeah, there's like so much candy in here, you guys. Like literally.
Make a wish.
The Scream. The classic.
What is this?
Classic. Okay, people, with that said, I am gonna go ahead and just conclude this video here for y'all. Hope you guys enjoyed that monster truck rally that me and my girlfriend attended as well. So, with that said, gonna go ahead and conclude it for everyone's video tonight. So, see you all next time.